Teen Activity Kit! Are you up for the challenge? You need to create a bird feeder from the provided supplies and whatever you can find at home. Your supplies: yarn, skewers, and an ice cream container. This is how I built my bird feeder. First, I used a skewer to punch holes into the lid and through the bottom. Next, I chose the placement for my skewers. These will be useful for the birds to sit on. I made an X pattern near the bottom of the container. To hang the bird feeder, I threaded each end of the yarn through the bottom holes and then through the lid. Decide how much yarn you will need to hang the bird feeder. Tie a knot and trim the ends. Now the fun begins! What sort of design will you create to attract the birds? I decided to glue a paper plate to the bottom. Then I cut out some doors. Next came a paint job and a clear coat of a waterproof decoupage. Doesn't it look great with birdseed in it? And look, it's so popular! So create yours and share your finished birdhouses with the library's social media accounts.